Hello and welcome to another video. Today I thought we'd have a look at my Oxford Diecast fire engine collection. I've only got a few, but I was starting to pack them away back into their boxes so I can make room for other models. I thought we'd have a look at them. First one I bought was this MAN Devon and Somerset Fire and Rescue tender. It's the only MAN I've got, and isn't that common on the road, with many being Scanias in the UK. You see they come with a lot of detailing, all the ladders on the roofs, the light bars, all the livery, all the crests for the fire department and fire service they're from. All the door mirrors and wipers. They look looking pretty accurate. Next to it is the Scania, probably the more common one. As you can see, this one's a Cleveland Fire and Rescue one. And when you compare it to this one from Surrey, you can see different ladders, light bar and other equipment. You can see Cleveland have a white front on theirs, whereas most others have a red front to their cabs. And I've got two from Strathclyde. It's probably my favourite livery out of all of them. Another version of Scania, this version, and then you got the 3-axled aerial rescue pump with all the slide out legs for stability. There's a pair of them, they look pretty good. Put them on the scene, they'll stand out. And the two classic ones I got, the old Dennis there. This one has removable ladders which come off. And that's the thing. You can make a display with them. The London Fire Brigade version. The underside of these are pretty basic. Not much to see. All the detailing's on the top. They do roll. Obviously a bit wobbly, and this one's got obviously a tyre issue. The buildings in the background are all 176 00 gauge, so these fit in nicely in scale with the buildings. Set them off quite nicely. Thank you for watching. My Instagram is Diecast Detective if you want to see more pictures. See you again soon.